Hey folks, just a short little tutorial for those who might need it to teach you how to upload to documents to your Google Classroom for students. So if you go into classwork and let's create a new assignment, and we'll just call this test 1, and you can type in some instructions to your students, tell them exactly what you want, and then when you go here to add, you have the choice to add from your Google Drive. You can insert a link from the internet. You can grab a file from your computer or a YouTube video. So I'm going to do Google Drive, and I'm going to grab a document that I want everybody to have their own individual copy of and respond to me. So I'm going to click on the document, then I go add, and I'm just grabbing this here. Let's say I didn't know where it was. I can always go here, search for the document, and once I find it, click on it and add. Now, you'll see here that students can view this file. That means that's all they can do. But if you use the pull down, you can give them the ability to edit it, or you can make a copy for each student. So I would not suggest using students can edit the file unless you're just sending that to one student. But you're sending it to a whole classroom, so I want them all to answer this. So I'm going to make a copy for each student. I'm going to come over here and make sure I've got it in the right classroom. I want it for all students. I can assign a due date here for it, and I can also assign a time. Then I want to make sure I put it where they will find it, so I'm going to put it under a topic. Remote learning assignments is what I've chosen. And there's this feature here that you can create your own rubric within the assignment, but I haven't messed with that or done anything with it. That would be a whole nother day. But anyway, so then come here and you can either click assign and they'll immediately be able to see it, or use your pull down and you can schedule it, or you can save a draft. Now, if you want to schedule it to show up at a specific time, you come here, you choose the date. Let's say we want it to show up on April 2nd. It must be scheduled before the due date. Okay, so I forgot I put the due date of the 31st. So let's say the 30th. And we want it to show up at 8 a.m. Okay? And then I'm going to click schedule, and it's going to schedule it. And you'll notice here, there, you'll see where it popped up under remote learning assignments, and there. You'll also notice some things I did with my classroom. I put daily videos and I put the date, so I'm going to let those always stack up at the top. And I've also got that remote learning announcement that I want them to respond to at the top as well. Okay, I hope this is helpful to some of you. If you need assistance with anything else, just let me know. Now, yeah, I think that was it. That's all they asked me to do. Okay, thanks so much.